had brekkie and coffees. We're gonna go check out the kids' playground. It is gonna be epic. Might have to go down the slide. It's pretty sick.
I'll have the white line on this.
My hands! I have just realised that all the rigs that we have here at the campsite have airbags. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to run around and show you how they have benefited on or for the duration of this trip. Let's go. The beast of a van, Danny's off-grid barista coffee truck. This one's got full air suspension on the back, and Danny is able to level out at campsite and level his coffee machine here. It is epic. My baby of a Gladiator. This one's got rear full air suspension, and this has been a game changer for me. I've got my bed tent on the back, and I am able to level that out with a piece of cake and keep a safe level ride height when I'm fully loaded with the kids and the misso. It's bloody awesome. Justin's fully kitted out JK Wrangler. This one's got our coil helper air suspension on the back. He came across a bit of a situation on our off-road track on the beach where he was slightly bottoming out a bit. All he had to do was inflate the airbags just a bit to raise the body of the vehicle, and it prevented a bit of bottoming out there. That's just maintained awesome stability and overall ride quality of the vehicle. Bloody awesome. Benny's Bag Boy Ram. The old man's driving this one on the trip. It's the same situation as the Gladiator, full air suspension on the rear, and he can easily level out at campsite. Piece of cake. Now for the Gourmet Camp Chef. He's got his fully kitted out Amarok here. He's just recently put our airbag helpers on the back of his car. Now he is able to maintain a safe level ride height on any off-road or on-road track. It is awesome. Trent from T&J Rigs, awesome Ranger, fully kitted out. Let's go take a look at his airbag.
Like some guys do the reverse entry, some guys don't.
Oh, actually, nah, that's competition. Let's just leave that one. Mitch's epic Hilux. This is his camera truck, and he's got the airbags in the rear to hold his absolutely massive heavyweight lenses in the back here. He also goes to Coffs Harbour and flexes like a dream. What an awesome rig. Good? That's the longest I've ever done it.
That's what she said.
Oh yeah.
Got me a Trent fish.
Fish is all about luck. Like, yeah, we got it.
dinner for the crew tonight. So we're going to be making tiramisu for dessert. We've got pizza for the masses. We've got a whole bunch of buffalo chicken wings going in 2 grills on either side. We've got 2 uni pizza ovens that are going to be knocking out pizzas all night. The side of Danny's power station van is going to be a projected screen for the big game. And go the Blues.
Big game 6 days ago, and that's a travel.
Oh my goodness, did he actually think he's going to get away with it? Look! Oh my goodness!
We've just played an epic round of basketball, and now we're going to go and watch the Origin.
Yeah, guys, salami.
In the back of the Hey, what's that score?
Get some!
Bloody Queenslanders, dirty hogs.
Yeah, dirty hog.
Yes! Out the Blues!
away my swag, and having the double stretcher is seriously an absolute game changer. My whole swag stays dry. It's out of the dirt, out of the sand, and I can pack it away nice and clean. So it's, yeah, I love it. So good. That's a wrap for this Port Macquarie episode. Make sure you like and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for the next one because there is plenty more to come. See you next time. Cheers to epic times.
100%.
Enjoy it.
It's very hoppy.
Yeah, it is. It's got a bit of flavour to it.